Career Nurturing Case Study. Robin has recently been promoted to the role of a manager with the responsibility to manage a team of 12 members. The team is engaged in analytical work using the latest technology in a middle-sized pharmaceutical company. One of his team members, Meena, has asked for a meeting with him to discuss possible career options available to her. Robin has recently lost a couple of senior members from his team and is struggling to rebuild it. Meena has been with the team for the last 2 years. She had worked with a larger organization for 2 years before joining this company. Meena has shown a knack for writing great proposal documents and has displayed skills in building relationships. Robin knows that she is interested in moving to a role in the business development function. She has mentioned it a few times during informal chats. Robin also heard that she spoke to some managers in the BD team to explore openings in their function. He is very upset about the fact that she talked to other managers without talking to him first. According to him, Meena has the required competencies to develop into a fine analyst and may be only an average performer in business development. Robin is surprised to see her interested in a function like BD. He is also worried that she may raise the question of a promotion. While she is quite competent at her work and has shown a lot of initiative, Robin knows that she isn't eligible for a promotion for a couple more years, as there are other senior members in the team awaiting the same. Robin is in a dilemma as to whether to have the meeting at all. He knows the questions that he is going to face and doesn't seem to have answers to any of them. Neither is he keen on releasing her from the team, nor can he offer her a promotion in the near future. After some deliberation, Robin finally decides to cancel the career discussion with Meena. He'd rather have the discussion around the annual performance review time. He advises Meena to focus on her performance. If she continues to do well, her career will automatically evolve. 3 weeks later, Meena approaches Robin and hands in her resignation letter. She had got a job in business development at a smaller organization that was not doing too well. Robin is shocked. To him, this looks like a career suicide. But he knows that it's too late. She has made up her mind. If you were in Robin's shoes, how would you have handled her request for a career conversation?